guys, we're going to do some more adjectives that compare today. We were talking about how adjectives compare nouns or can describe nouns, and like bigger and taller and faster. Those are words we learned yesterday. Well, today we're going to throw in est. So you're going to have to figure out, is it colder or coldest? Now think, if it's colder, that's comparing two things. Which one? This glass is colder than this glass. If I want to know which one's the coldest out of the whole room, who has the coldest hands? So coldest would be the most. If you're comparing two things, which one is colder? If you're comparing a lot of things, it would be the coldest, the most. Most of the time, read the sentence and just think which one makes the best sense. So we're looking at adjectives that compare today with ER or EST. So let's look at number one. This winter is colder than last winter, or this winter is coldest than last winter. Well, if we're talking about comparing last winter to this winter, there's just two things. So it would be the colder one. See, it makes sense. This winter is colder than last winter. Number two, the snow is the deeper I have ever seen. The snow is the deepest I have ever seen. Well, you're not comparing two things here. You're saying this is the deepest that you've ever seen. So it would be the winter. So it would be est, deepest. The snow is the deepest I have ever seen. Number three, this may be the longer stretch of cold weather ever. This may be the longest stretch of cold weather ever. Well, if you're talking about all of cold weather, this is the longest stretch. It wins, not comparing 2 years. So this is the longest stretch of cold weather ever. Number four, this sweater is the warmer one I own. This sweater is the warmest one I own. Well, if you're talking about all your sweaters, the warmest. It's the warmest sweater I own. Number five, that snowbank is higher than our car. That snowbank is highest than our car. Well, that snowbank is, you're comparing the snowbank to your cars. Which one's higher? So you'd say that snowbank is higher than our car. Did you see how I did that? I read both sentences and I put both words in and I saw which one made the best sense and then I circled it. That's what you're going to do today. You're going to do the next page, which is 142. And it gives you a sentence and you have to put a word in that makes sense. You would like number one, the harp is the blank instrument. And it says they want you, they say they want you to put ES. Is it the loudest instrument? Is it the softest instrument? Is it the quietest instrument? You get to choose the word, but you have to put EST on the end. So you're using EST today, and you're choosing which word makes sense in that sentence with an EST. There's only 5. Enjoy. Then get busy on enrichment or Dreambox.